So guys, I'm going to be showing us how to use our Rivet presser or Rivet machine to make a wrap button. So this is the Rivet machine. You can use it for your eyelets, your press button, your pairs fixing, and your wrap button. You can actually use it for 5 different things, okay? But for today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to wrap our buttons like this, okay? As you can see me show you right now. Okay, so we are wrapping our buttons like this. Okay, so these are the cover buttons. So these are the molds or the dies that comes, with the Rivet machine. You're actually going to buy them. One will come with it, and then you go ahead to buy the remaining. So I have 5 sizes of this wrap buttons, dies or molds, okay, and it comes in different sizes. So it depends on the size of the wrap button you want to create as at the time. So you choose the size. As you can see, these are the different sizes. I have 5 of them, okay. Please pardon my voice, okay. So I'm going to use this one that I've singled out, okay, for the project, okay. So I have these are the buttons, the wrap buttons. So you go to the market and you tell them you want to buy a wrap buttons, okay. So they give you, it comes 2 in 1, okay. The cover part and the part that you're going to use to press it down. So you get your fabric, okay, and then you cut it out in circle. You just cut it in such a way that is a little bigger than the wrap button cover you want to use, okay. It should not have too much excess. So as you can see, I've cut out the size in no particular order, trying to locate the right part of the fabric. So I place my my cover button on the inside of the fabric. I get the mold and then I place it inside like this to form the shape. I use my hand to fold in the remaining excess fabric, and then I use the cover of the wrap button and press it down. As you can see me do, I just go ahead and press it down. I bring it out this way. It has formed but it's not firm, and then I turn it. So this inner part, that part where the button cover is, I'll place it on the inside and then cover it up and then turn it upside down like this. This down part is where it should be on top, okay, when you are placing it on your rivet machine or on your presser, and then you just apply a little pressure. When you apply a little pressure, it has locks the button and the fabric together, and this is what you will have by the time you are done, okay. So I'll just go ahead and repeat the same process. Place it inside the mold. I call it a mold because it helps form the shape of the button. I use my hand to put in the fabric, use the cover of the button to press down the fabric, bring it out, turn it upside down like this, making sure that the part of the button where you will tack to your fabric is facing the down, and then use the cover of the mold to cover it. Place it on the rivet, apply a bit of pressure, and your wrap button is ready, okay. So I'll just repeat it 1 or twice again, and then we will see the outcome of what we are doing, okay. So this is just it, guys. It's not difficult at all. It's not difficult, okay. So like I said earlier, you can use this machine to create your eyelets for your corset outfit, and even outfit that is not corset, and you want to use the eyelets you want to have the eyelets kind of effect at the back. You can use this Rivet machine for it. You can use it to fix your pairs. You can use it to do a wrap button. You can use it to do a press button. And one more thing, I can't remember. There are actually 5 things you can use this machine to achieve. So it really comes so very, very, very handy. Okay. So I just continued the process this way, and this is what I was able to do. I've gotten the quantity of buttons that I want. So if this lecture or this tutorial was helpful to you, please go ahead to give a like, a share, a thumbs up, and let me know what tutorial you would want me to make for you. Okay, all right guys, see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now. Bye.